Hello and welcome to Solid Show. Today I'm going to show you how to make an adjustable handbag strap using a buckle. This buckle is about a half an inch and the swivel hooks or lobster clip half an inch as well. So we have two strips of vinyl. One is 36 inches by 1 inch and the other is 19 inches by 1 inch wide. 19 inches long by 1 inch wide, and then we have another short piece here that is 3 inches long by 1 inch wide. So first, what we're going to do, we're going to fold our pieces in half. You can either fold it in like this. You can draw a line in the center to mark it and fold in the short edges toward that center if you don't want any raw edges. And you can use some fabric glue or Wonder Tape and sew along the long edges using a 1/8 seam allowance to hold in place. Or you can fold it in half this way. And again, you can sew along the long edges using a 1/8 seam allowance if you don't mind the raw edge showing. So I don't want to glue this, so I'm going to fold it, or you can use pin to hold it in place in this direction, in this method. There's also another video on my channel showing you how to make an adjustable strap using this method, folding in the raw edges so there's none, and it is without a buckle but using a slider instead. So you can check that out if that's what you're looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fold this in half, and I'm going to sew along the long edges for all three pieces of my fabric. So here are the finished pieces of my strap. This is the shorter strap, which has the buckle attached. My machine can handle the fold I made at the end at 1/2 inch, so I had to flatten it, and I use glue instead of stitching across. As you can see, it's perforated, but the stitches didn't hold. So you have the buckle at one end, the loop, and at the other end of the short strap you have a swivel hook. And this is the longer strap, which is about 36 inches long, and this one has one swivel hook, and the other end does not have any. I just fold it down and glue. You can stitch if your machine can handle it. And so in order to put the two together, these will be the ends that will be attached to your bag once you've made it. And this will be your if you're using these tabs that I made earlier, you'll attach these will be onto the gusset or anywhere sides of the bag, and you will attach your strap like this on the two sides. Okay, so let me show you how it's gonna look when you put the so we're gonna take the long strap and we're gonna thread it through the buckle. I used a seam ripper to make some holes to go through, and that's how your strap will be adjusted. If you have the what you call it, the hole punch that is used to punch holes through leather and so on, you can use that. I don't have one, so I just made some tiny holes with my seam ripper, which works because this is a very small buckle. So you push it through the hole and through the other side of the buckle, and then through the loop, and this is what you'll have. So now your two straps are now attached and are now adjustable. So this is what it will look like. This is the adjustable part of the bag, of the handle or the strap, and these are the ends and will be attached to your bag using these D-ring tabs. I will be making a bag using these tabs so you can see how they work. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment section. Give this video a like so that the algorithm will show it to other people who are interested in bag making. Also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can be notified when I post new tutorials.